How to download Legend Fighter Mortal Battle on your Android or iOS. Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're ready to play Legend Fighter Mortal Battle on your smartphone or your tablets, first of all unlock your device and go open up Google Play Store or your App Store. Now go to the search bar and type in Legend Fighter. Look for the Legend Fighter Mortal Battle game from TOH Games and then tap on Install or Get. On your iOS, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID's password. Then the download process will begin. Wait until the download is completed, which may take a couple of minutes depending upon your internet speed. Once the installation is completed, tap on Play. And there you have successfully downloaded and installed Legend Fighter game on your Android or iOS. Complete the initial setup, download any necessary data if prompted, and you'll be able to go ahead and complete your game installation. And that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.